Na 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 na
Yes, may keychain na kami agad. Kaka-check-in pa lang. Oh, di ba?
Bakya ni Neneng.
Sa aming room. Pintuan.
Lagi natin sa ating...
Yung bed.
Oh, yung bathtub.
Yes. Yung keycard. Tapos may mapa ka ng kasama. Oh, di ba? May Pilipino kaming namit, guys. Sa reception. Tapos, binigyan niya kami ng ganito. Meron kami chocolate. Chocolate ba ito? Ay, candy.
Ang masarap pag nag-hotel ka.
Yes. Iba talaga yung treat kapag hotel, no?
Oo. Yun lang ang gusto ko pag nag-travel tayo.
Ayun nga din eh. Parang okay lang gumastos sa accommodation basta komportable. Breakfast. It's like in Switzerland. Chicken sausage. And scrambled egg.
Yogurt.
Breakfast area namin. Ang ganda ng view. There's the canal. This is our breakfast for today. Para lang siyang sa Switzerland. Chicken sausage, egg, tinapay, pancake. Yes, that's right. Siguro ganun talaga yung pagkain nila dito. Canal waiting for our boat. 20 each. 20 per person. Per person! Mainit ang araw. Perfect weather. Sana maganda yung pwesto namin. Sana dun sa may bandang open na medyo close. Parang malamig lang na hindi malamig. Here comes our boat. Kila. Yan ang aming boat. Yung boat namin.
Hanggang anong oras daw sila mag-entry? Hello.
Welcome to our beautiful city of Amsterdam.
Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the cruise.
Welcome to Amsterdam, capital city of the Netherlands. This city has over 100 kilometers of canal.
I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home? I've been sleeping with the light on dim. Feels heavier without you.
Hi guys, we're here at the train going to Zaandam. Dito kami papunta. Yan, gusto daw yan puntahan ni Mother. 18 minutes away from Amsterdam.
Is different than Switzerland. Oh, the water here is different than Switzerland. Switzerland is more clean and refreshing, as you see. But here it's alright. It's like canal.
Social na canal. Sa Pilipinas, canal. Dito, canal. We are here in Zaandam. Zaandam, para siyang pangalan ng character sa something. Ganda ng mga buildings.
Maya.
Ganda, oh. Yun yung bahay. Yan yung gusto mong makita ni Mother.
Yes.
Wait lang, may tao sa likod.
Hindi naman dali.
Ayan na yan.
Gumagalaw na
Ayan
yung
na.
ating antena. Ay,
1, 2.
ito ba?
Ano siya? Ang famous hotel of Zaandam. Yan. Meron ng knowledge about the place. Pero parang mas vibrant yung color niya sa TikTok. Now, we're here at Maya Restaurant. We're gonna have our lunch. English. Magla-lunch kami dito. Kasi, gutom na daw si Mother. May nagdo-drone shot too. Oh, I miss my drone. Tingnan, ito kasi yung view ko, guys. Kaya hindi ako nakatingin sa camera. Tignan niyo yung view ko. Yay! That's my view. Ito kami sa labas kakain. Kasi malamig naman. See you later when the food is here. Paubos na yung soup. Lentil soup. Ako na yung dessert kaysa yung main dish namin. Appetizer, dessert, tapos main dish. Change outfit na siya, guys. Nainggit siya sa flower ko. Here's the main dish. Taste it.
This is called teriyaki chicken.
Yes. Ano klaseng mukha yun?
Guys, parang nilagyan lang ng oyster sauce yung chicken ng slice.
So, marirecommend mo bang kumain dito?
Hindi na guys.
Mag-McDo na lang.
Magmakdo na lang kayo.
Guys, we're back in the train. Papunta kami ngayon sa Sunshine. Kasi init na init kami. Gusto namin makita yung malaking electric fan.
Walang araw.
Makulimlim na. Buti na lang yung boat cruise natin kanina maaraw. Retouch. Nasa na kami? Nasa north of Netherlands. Wala na kami sa Amsterdam. Pero malapit lang. So, 2 stop lang din. Sa baba na kami. We're here at Zanshan's. So, we are here. And then, just gonna walk. Just gonna walk straight. Uy! Oh, tulong-tulong guys. Yung isa. Pero hindi ko na ma-press.
Malakas pa i-hear ko dito.
Hindi ma-press yan.
Para di ka kumain ng wow. Dahil pa naman chocolate nung...
Eh, parang nga hindi tumalsik ka.
Sige, overflow mo para ko.
Ano yan? Sakit sa kamay? Natapon kasi yung tubig namin kanina.
Dahil si Thea,
Ah, hindi ako. Siya yung gumamit nung ano. Now we're walking to the windmills. Nararamdaman ko na yung hangin.
Galing sa windmill.
Kasi kakatapos lang ng lunch namin. Huwag kayong kakain dun kasi masyadong maalat yung pagkain. Parang magkakasakit na ako sa bato after.
Grabe nga. Buti nga isa lang order natin, ha?
Oo.
Nag-share natin.
Ang bango ng chocolate. Amoy na amoy yung chocolate na niluluto. Parang yung mga bahay, parang mga museum.
Set out on the open road, same old place you always used to go when you were younger. We're speeding through a 50 song like your dad before you didn't even know.
Sayo ko ng cheese, pero hindi ba, Ben?
Ano ba?
Start. And then take a small cup. And then 1 spoon. Yes.
This
Yan.
is how you make chocolate drink, okay? We are in a factory chocolate drink. So this is the way you should make your chocolate drink.
Ayan, yan na yun. Tapos lalagyan nila ng milk. This is the last stop. Ayun na pa kami sabi na let's go na.
Let's go.
Gonna taste it. Gonna taste it.
Imagine this is almost 5 euros.
Yeah. 4 pounds for the chocolate and then 50 pence for the marshmallow.
You have to take the marshmallow. Sabi ko sa'yo, masarap.
Ah, morning. Ito kami sa train station. We're going to Brussels, Belgium. Ang aming ticket from Amsterdam to Brussels. Train. 2 floors din yung ano, train. Parang sa Switzerland. First order of business in Belgium, shopping. Welcome to Brussels. Nasa train station pa kami. Welcome to Brussels. At inuulan kami. Naka-raincoat na kami. May remembrance na kami sa Brussels. Itong suot naming raincoat. Park de Brussels. Welcome. Saan na kami napadpad? Uy, may malaking fountain. Parang feeling ko nasa Paris lang ako. Hindi. Kasi yung pinuntahan din namin sa Paris ng park din.
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall with you.
Yan na, maaraw na.
Maaraw, tumutulo yung ulan.
At least na maaraw.
Yes, yes. Ang Belgium namin is watery.
Ano?
Really nice. Shower of blessings. This is a blessing because in our trip, we made it in Brussels. Don't have any plan for this, but we made it to come here. So next time, this is not in our list.
Or siyang Scotland na may pagka-Paris, na may pagka-Buckingham. Yan yung Buckingham. Tapos yung part na yan, parang Scotland. Tapos pag nagmata ka dun sa loob, parang siyang nasa Paris.
Sunflowers, high grass, and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to you. It's true. Nowadays, there's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
This is the park, guys. So nice. Look at that park. Our lunch. Ganito pala yung shawarma. Kala ko nakarap yung shawarma, guys. Pero ganyan pala. Yan yung chicken, may rice, hummus, tabule. Tabule? Not sure. Tapos may mga pickles. Yan. With a view of this. What can you say about our lunch?
That's very nice. I love it. I really miss Lebanese food. When I was 22 years. Oh, when I'm 22 years old. I've been eating Lebanese food for 3 years. So I really miss it now. I enjoy it.
Ako ngayon ko ang nagustuhan yung Lebanese food. Ganun siya kasarap. Ngayon, mag-ikot lang kami dito somewhere. Ganap ng pasalubong. Ganap kami ng Belgian. Belgian na tao. Oh, daming chocolates. Look how this. Wow. Chocolates, chocolates. Pick and mix. Ayan 100 grams is 690 euros. Ganyan guys, may umiihi. Bye, Brussels. We're going home. Sabi ko kaninang nagla-lunch. Wala pa ako nakikitang Pilipino. Tapos nang bumibili kami dito sa souvenir shop. Nung nalaglag ako, sabi, ay, wag mo ilalaglag. May Pilipino na ako nakita. Akala ko ito yung unang lugar na pupuntahan ko na wala akong Filipino na makikilala. Makikita.
Kahit saan magpunta, laging naalala ang pamilya.
Yes.
Kahit keychain lang. May pasalubong kayo.
Yes, kahit ref magnet lang. Ang central, dapat dito kami lumabas kanina, pero parang doon kami nakalabas sa sa likod. Ito na.
Tapos na ang ating
Brussels
pagmamasyal sa
tour.
Brussels.
Yes. One stop away lang pala kami dun sa guys. Pupuntahan namin. Ba't kanina 10 stop yun napuntahan namin. Lumipat-lipat pa kami ng...
Siguro kaninang pinasukan natin.
Sa ibang train na naman kami guys. Ay kayo na mag-judge ng lahat ng train na sinakyan namin. Kung anong pinakamaganda. We're back in Amsterdam. 7:04 and we're back.
When the sage brings the rite of spring, morning dove and the sparrows sing. Through the light that the sun will bring, reborn. Flocks are creeping on the wall. Swallowtail heeds the northern call, and the last of the frost will thaw, reborn. In the warmth of the spring, I recall everything once more. Heavy air and the smell of rain, muddy grasses across the plain.
Our last night dinner. Pad Thai at egg noodles.
Red-winged blackbird, soft refrain, reborn.
Our last day. Guys, we are now here at the airport. At maaga pa kami. Dumating kami dito parang 2:30. Tapos yung flight namin parang 7:30 pa. Wala, parang naikot na rin namin halos lahat. Tapos nagtambay kanina kasi umuulan-ulan din sa sa city center. Pero nakakain naman ako ng fries na gusto ko. Tsaka yung waffle, yung stroop waffle nila. Kaya satisfied na din ako. So, dito lang kami. Sobrang laki ng airport nila. Sobrang layo pa ng gate namin. Tapos sobrang tagal ng immigration. It's nice to meet you, Amsterdam. And hope to see you soon. Soon? Bye, everybody.